What is up, Pyros? Today we're taking a look at one of the Elvis Presley products from Brothers Fireworks. This one's called Trouble. It's a 36 shot, 200 gram cake. It definitely, if it tilted up, doesn't that kind of remind you of Bling Bling a little bit? 36 shot. Definitely does look similar from the tubes and the top with that red foil. We'll definitely have to see if it's anything like it, similar or completely different. So we have performance. We have a lot of different effects in these 36 shots. So we have silver flying fish with blue stars, crackling whistle tail to reports. Then we have green glitter with purple stars, multicolored stars, red green bouquet with time rain, quicken effect of crackling willow 36 shots. So real interested to see. Obviously we have the fuse up front. So with the fuse up front, it's gonna go through all these little shots back and forth. Then we're gonna lead into the big 8 here at the finale. So I'm really intrigued to see how well this cake performs. Again, it's one of the Elvis Presley special ones that Brothers rolled out this past season. So I'm really interested to see. I think I have a couple Marilyn Monroe ones that I'm going to shoot as well. Shout out to Penguin Pyro Fireworks, the fireworks stand that I showed you guys last year. They actually let me get these so that way I can kind of show you guys what to expect from them. Pyros, let's go ahead and take a look at it. We have Elvis Presley Trouble, 36 shot, 200 gram cake by Brothers Fireworks. I hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I'll see all you Pyros next week with another demo video.